Opposition leader Nelson Chamisa has declared his imminent return to the political arena, vowing to challenge the ruling ZANU-PF and reignite the democratic struggle in Zimbabwe. Sanabira mashoko akubuda pana vationa Nelson Chamisa panguva ino anozikamwa kuti mukomana anoraiza situations ema-funerals and the likes vamongoziva kuti abva kudhara panguva yanamugentsvangirai ndo madays akaraiza zvakuda kuitika panguva ino. Sanabira mashoko amudanyorwa panapa ndopaipa ndokuti bo subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Ndimira panapa muzvinhu amudanyorwa achiti Chamisa made the announcement on Friday at the funeral of Mbuya Aida Hanyani, affectionately known as Gogo Chiera in Glenview. A devoted supporter of Zimbabwe's pro-democracy movement, Gogo Hanyani was laid to rest at Glenview Forest Cemetery the same day. Addressing mourners, Chamisa dismissed speculations that he had abandoned politics, emphasizing that his temporary retreat was strategic. Chamisa's presence at the funeral, marked by his humility and deep connection with ordinary Zimbabweans, was further highlighted by his close ally Osalo Siziva, who shared images of opposition leader engaging with mourners. Following the death of MDC leader Mnangagwa in 2018, Chamisa took over the party and contested against Mnangagwa in the presidential election, securing over 2 million voters despite allegations of electoral fraud. His energetic campaign, particularly his ability to draw massive crowds, reaffirmed his status as a political powerhouse. Even the ZANU-PF aligned forces manipulated the CCC internal structures. Chamisa has remained the preferred leader for millions of Zimbabweans who see him as the face of resistance against oppression. As he prepares for a political comeback, many believe Chamisa holds the key to rekindling opposition momentum and challenging Mnangagwa's rule in the years ahead. His return to the forefront of politics is not just about reclaiming a position, it's about reviving hope in our nation, yearning for change. Thomas Kanobuda panapa atiri kuona kuti aiwa vanhu vachitaura pamusoro paNelson Chamisa vachiti aiwa panguva inoi achionekwa achidzoka zvekare in the political battle, in the political field. Vanhu vari kunyatsoziva kuti haasi kumbodzoka achimboda position, but akuda kupa macitizens hope aiwa kuti anyatsokuisa freedom mumagariro enyika yeZimbabwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndinangome section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.